rising sun hits the sky. See it open before us. Take these hopes, hold them high. Every step takes you closer. Oh, 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 oh. The stars will show us.
Official good morning to everyone. It is currently Sunday in Vancouver, Canada. Today's quite a gloomy day. Honestly, we were expecting it to be a little bit more sunny, but that's okay. We decided to do something fun today and something that we don't usually do, and basically dedicate this day to the things we like and to create some positive energy around us, especially in the time of quarantine and in the time of lockdown. I feel like everyone needs days like this when you just do things you love. So we already read in the morning. Right now we are reading To Sleep in the Sea of Stars. This is a fantastic book, a new book by Christopher Paolini, and we read it together with Nick, and we both really enjoy it. And also we are testing a new camera today that Nick got a couple of days ago, and this is Sony a6400. And yes, usually I record on my phone, but today we're gonna record on a camera, so we're gonna see how it looks like. And yes, I'll take you along with me, and I hope that you enjoy this day.
The people are clamoring close to the ground. My head and my heart are way up in the clouds. My love is alive, my love is alive for you.
So we are at Deer Lake Park on this gloomy day. Still a nice walk though.
Yes, we come here quite often. It's the park that's quite close to our place. I think it's a 5-minute drive, and there are honestly not too many people right here. So that's why we like this place. We usually come here to walk and talk, and like we often discuss things, like we talk about Christmas, and it just sets us up for a wonderful positive mood. That's why we like this place. Actually, Nick showed me this place when we first started dating, and he used to come here almost every single day after his work for like a year or so.
At least, yeah.
So now I kind of joined him.
This is the perfect day.
This view is the highlight of this walk, and you can see a lake over there and mountains. And we think that that mountain is Mount Baker.
Oh no, the pretty one.
The pretty one, okay. That mountain is Mount
Is it
Baker.
It can last forever. This is the perfect day.
As you've seen, we've just been to Whole Foods, and I grabbed several of my favorite yogurts. And we also went to Cobb's Press, that's Nick's favorite bakery. And what did you get?
We got a, was it a Danish jalapeno bread?
And what else?
Delicious, and
That looks so good. Since we didn't have breakfast yet, we're just gonna have that for breakfast and then head to English Bay for a walk. The weather seems to be getting nicer. It was raining in the morning, but now we can see sun shining, and yeah, so we're just gonna quickly eat that in the car and head straight to English Bay. How is it?
oh,
Banana is always a good idea. And this is my favorite yogurt. I always buy it at Whole Foods when I'm around. It is dairy-free yogurt. It's made out of coconut and it's very, very good. It's the best alternative to the Greek yogurt. It's very nice. It's very mild flavor. It's a little bit sour, so I usually eat it with maple syrup or some honey or banana. And yeah, so I really, really like it. If you see it in the store, give it a try. It's very good. We just had dinner and we are actually watching Harry Potter. It's the 5th part, it's the Order of the Phoenix, because for me Harry Potter is such an autumny wintry movie. I watch it almost every year. Sometimes I do read books, but sometimes I just stick to the movies. And why are you laughing?
These are cute.
So yes, we are watching Harry Potter and we are playing board games. And we recently picked up this game. Basically what you have to do is you have cards and you have to find the connection between two cards. For example, if you have a boomerang and if you have a goldfish, so you have to find the connection between them.
What is the connection between a boomerang and a goldfish?
This is the first game we're gonna play, and the second one is our all-time obsession, and this is Monopoly Deal. And if you haven't tried it, you have to, because this is such an addiction. Who cannot have a hook? Hook is a hook.
A hook and lure both are hooks.
No, hook is a hook.
That's a hook!
Yeah, but you cannot say that this and this are both hooks. We are having some tea with this beautiful chocolate cake. It's a vegan chocolate cake from Pure Bread, and these are still the slices for my birthday, so I'm super excited to have it. And I think we have a little bit for tomorrow as well. All that we have done today, and I think the day was pretty awesome. We had lots of fun. We went twice for a walk. We had a wonderful breakfast, and we ended up with some chocolate cake, as you've seen, and some chips. Those were one of my favorite ones, so you got to try them. I think we're gonna keep watching Harry Potter, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.